Herriman High football players will need to be quarantined and then tested for COVID tomorrow after a coach tested positive there. Like many other schools, the Herriman Mustangs have a voluntary off-season program in June. Kyle Harvey today asked about the rules for these summer sports and how they were decided.
It falls to each individual school and district whether to allow organized practice for fall sports in June. Herriman's football team is one of many holding practice within a set of rules.
Checking for symptoms of athletes and participants, that would include coaches and others that are at the event.
Kids must submit waivers, and the school's summer program was vetted by Ron Lund with the Salt Lake County Health Department.
We don't approve plans. We will look at them. We assure that they're in compliance with what the governor has said needs to happen.
In a time where Salt Lake County residents must wear face masks and social distance, I wanted to know how teens are allowed to play a contact sport like football.
I understand that there would be questions about that. The guidance is put out by the governor and his task force. It's what they deemed is appropriate and safe.
In the yellow phase, sports teams are able to act regularly.
I asked State Health Department spokesman Tom Hudacko why there was a plan for football before there was a plan for the classroom. He says the state needed to fill a void when the Utah High School Activities Association lifted a springtime ban on sports.
We wanted to make sure that as high school sports teams and little league sports teams started to re-engage in those activities, that they had somewhere where they could go for guidance on how they could resume those activities safely.
He says the rules they created are for all sports teams, not just schools. I also wanted to speak to the Jordan District about the decision to allow football practice and what it looks like, but they turned down multiple requests for an interview. In Herriman, Kyle Harvey, 2 News.